Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to we install Network Miner. So you can go to the website Network Miner, go to the bottom. Then you can get the free edition Network Miner. It's an open source network forensic tool. Okay. So these are the things which are available in the free version. The professional version will be the paid version. Okay, free version download, click on download. So it will download the zip file. So this is the network miner. So these are the files which are there. Okay. So now what you do, just copy this, Control C, copy, go to the PC, localhost C, program files. Now here you can paste that, refresh, and then paste it. So once you paste it, just click on continue. You're giving the administrative access. So now you can see the network miner. You should have copied each and everything. Make sure you open this run as administrator. I'm just clicking on yes. And so now it will launch as administrator. So now what you have to do, you can select anything to, so click on this. You can click on this device, loop back, anything which is there. Let us try for wireline. We can start capturing the packets. Capturing the packets. It has captured the packets, expanded. So we have a number of things. Let me open the command prompt, cmd. So let's say ping google.com. So you should see this google.com here. That is, it is there google.com. It has got the ping. Let's say I'm pinging microsoft.com. So you can also do like this, right? You open it. So you can open this parallelly. Okay. You can directly open, let's say, yopmail.com. So it should load it properly. So you can see all the IP addresses are getting loaded. You can expand each and every IP address. For example, let me expand this. It will show you what is unknown, what is the host name, what is the OS, what is the latency, how many pockets of data has been sent for this. So we can see other scenarios also. The main thing is you can see if there are any rogue hosts. You can see um, we have just opened the google.com, we pinged it, right? You can see what exactly was the IP address, what is the OS, if there are any rogue hosts for this, we can actually get to know by that. Okay, what kind of OS is there, what is the fingerprint you can find, little bit more you can know about your host by network miner. It has like lot of nicer features, right? And also you can do a lot here. For example, here we have given IP ascending. You can just add ascending, let's say operating system. You can actually do operating system search. So you can go again, you can see if there are any operating systems for this. No, not known. So not only that, we can do a number of things, right? We can also search received packets. It will also do descending, means if whatever the packets received will be on this will be on the top. Received packets. So receive these many packets for this particular host. We have another 206 receive these many packets for it. Now let us see. We can see images, messages, credentials, sessions. We have 7 sessions, DNS. We have these many frames. These are particular clients, IPTTL, transactions, etc. You can also do a keyword search. I have to click on keywords. If you want, you can see Google. If you want, you can do a lot of search from here. Okay. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Tell them, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.